মই সৰু উল্টা না মই সৰু উল্টাকে যাব উপায় নাথাকে দিবলগীয়া আছে
Morning.
I'm saying for listing this petition.
Bench 2.
Bench 2. One is for
Any prayers for listing? Just give it to the court master. He shall accommodate as far as.
My lords, I beg to mention item number 10.
Item number
10.
1 second. Yes, what do you want?
My lord, I want adjournment for the day, my lord. Since Mr. Majumdar has been, I have to look after that matter. I'll be appearing.
No, but a rejoinder was required to be
I
filed.
will be filing everything, my lord. I have the
So
step.
say that.
Well, a step neatly, my lord.
In item number 10, as prayed for by Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel appearing for the
My
petitioner,
lords.
relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner to file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the state government, by the union. All right.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36. They can consent the other side.
36.
Yes, that's it.
Yes.
On behalf of CGC.
36, I think pleadings are also
Adjourn for
completed.
today.
Hmm? Hey, Pidikat Mati was it? 36, not, sorry, I thought it was 26. Yes, what do you want in 36?
Time may be granted for filing affidavit in advance.
Okay. As prayed, have you taken consent?
Yes.
Who's appearing for the petitioner? Who's appearing for the petitioner?
Lordship,
So, any objection?
no.
As prayed for by MS?
M. Borman.
M. Borman, Leonard CGC.
Yes, Lordship.
Relist
On
after.
behalf of SK Mithri.
On behalf of SK Medil and CGC, relist after 3 weeks to enable the respondent file return in the matter.
I beg to mention
With
item
consent,
20 I beg to mention item 25, my lord. My lord, here.
Just 1 second.
Immediately.
Yes, please.
My lord, here everything is completed.
Item number?
25, my lord. I want 1 day of accommodation because my lord, conductor AK progress to some suffering from back pain, he complained. So today's accommodation, my lord.
You are for the petitioner?
Yes, my lord. I have taken consent for SP Choudhury.
All right. As prayed for by Mr.
MJ Barua.
MJ Barwa, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner with consent from the respondent side, relist after
1 week.
After a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obligation.
If you consider back to mention item number 7, your lordship.
7, Mr. Das.
Yes, your lordship. In the next week, your lordship. After a week, your lordship. I've taken the consent of the other side.
7. All right. As prayed for by Mr. A. Das, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner with consent from the respondent, relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry. Just 1 second. Yes, please.
Item number 2. Kindly adjourn the matter for the day.
Item 2.
Yes. We have
I
taken consent from the other side.
I think an adjournment slip was given.
Yes, adjournment slip.
All right. As prayed for by Mr.
P. Bhomik.
P. Bhomik, learned counsel appearing for the Respondent.
Petition.
Petitioner with consent from Mr. A. Dhar, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1 and by circulating advance adjournment sleep in advance, relist after so and so. 3 weeks? After 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8 of daily list. My lord, the engaged counsel is not.
8 is a matter which was already heard once
Yes, my lord.
and it has been now released
Yes,
because of some development.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
The engaged counsel is not well, my lord, suffering from aggravated knee pain, my lord.
Can you just wait for a while?
Sure.
Item 8, I will not take much time to reach. Just wait. I just want to have the file before I give you the time. Okay? So don't go.
Obliged.
Order improvement of party, item number 1.
Yes,
Yes, please,
treatment of.
Not it, before my amendment starts, I am appealing for the Assam University. By order dated 10/3/2025. This one got directed the petitioner to appear in the interview. We allowed him, but now we have prayed that we may be allowed to declare the result.
No, but this is an IA.
No, not that is their file application for including the necessary party.
So let me first take the IA which is listed before this court, Mr. Kayal. There is an IA today which is listed. If you see the cost, if you see the nomenclature under which this matter has been listed is order impleadment of party and the IA is before this court.
Not,
So can I first take up the IA if you permit me, Mr. Kayal?
not.
Yes.
I filed this petition for impleadment lordship in phone number 7 lordship because I was also a candidate lordship in this selection process lordship.
The petition is filed by you, Mr.
Lordship, I'm the writ petitioner here.
You are the writ petitioner.
Small prayer, Lordship.
Yes, Betala.
Lordship, let me file a short objection in this.
You want to file an objection to the
Lordship.
impleadment?
Lordship, to the impleadment.
Why? What is your objection?
Lordship,
More the merrier.
Lordship.
Why are you objecting for a party to be impleaded and he is a selected candidate?
Lordship.
You're selected, you said, appeared.
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 Result is not declared. lordship.
Anyway, we'll give you 2 days time. How much?
Lordship, a week's time, but please.
All right. As prayed for by Mr. H. Petela, learned counsel appearing for the respondent relist after on such and such day that did you to enable the respondent to file objection to the impleadment application. Stop.
If your lordship's allowed, this may I point out, lordship, one thing, my learned friend was pointing it out. My lord, now the selection process is over, only the selection.
But that writ petition is not before this court today. It's the IA. You want some order in the writ petition, you file an appropriate application. Yes.
May I submit it?
Mr. Kayal, get an application, this court will consider.
Doctor, we have filed our affidavit in this.
That is all right, but you want this to now declare the results.
No.
File an appropriate application to that effect. This court will consider. Yes.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
Where please, your lordship. Lordship, my senior is in another court, lordship. Kindly matter be fixed after some time.
Item number 4 to 6.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in fact, my lord, these matters were
Yes,
heard and
yes,
CAG was there, but my lord, unfortunately, judgment was not there. My lord, may I be permitted to take updated instruction, my lord? Perhaps some of the petitioner has already retired, my lord. If they have retired, cause of action will not to survive, my lord. Lord, we have prayed that the
Mr.
CMJ.
A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner submits that since this writ petitions were already heard way back on 27/3/2024 and the judgment was reserved. However, the same has been released due to some development and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to obtain up-to-date instruction from his client. Prayer is allowed. Yes, when do you want?
Lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
Give a date after 2 weeks. Relist on such and such date.
Fine.
They are beyond of the petitioner. And you are appearing for the
UGC law.
UGC.
Point number 3.
Okay.
Obliged.
7. Item number 8.
Yes. You wanted some time.
Yes, my lord.
Why?
My lord, actually, my lord, written arguments and everything has been submitted, my lord. It has been filed. Since she is not well today, my lord, and hence short date, even
Who is not well, Mrs. Saikya?
Mrs. Saik,
Your name?
MP Chaudhary.
Mr. M.B. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that though the hearing in this matter was concluded on 22/1/2024 and the matter and the judgment was reserved. However, due to some development,
Knee pain.
no. However, due to some development, the matter was released. And today, when the matter has been called, Mrs. N. Saikya, who is the arguing counsel in the writ proceeding, is unwell, is indisposed due to a knee pain, and accordingly seek short accommodation. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date. That date, Didibo. After
1 week, my lord, if it is possible. Obligation.
14. Item number 9. Item number 11.
For 9, Lordship, I am hoping for a response, Lordship.
but there was no one for the petitioner.
No one for a-
So we'll recall it if after some time, or you can get hold of someone from the chamber of Mr. Chaudhary, I
Lordship,
think.
I-
Just get hold of someone. Yes.
Item 11.
Yes, area salary.
Yes, my lord. Petitioner have already received.
You received.
the salary, but my lord, I pay for a liberty, my lord, during the period of 2001 to 2000, my lord, 16. This period, the department has released only a stipendiary, my lord, salary. My lord, but in the, but the petitioner has completed his basic training, my lord, in the year 2009, my lord. But that period has not been counted. But already, my lord, he have received whatever.
But that's not your prayer here,
Oh, yes, my lord. Yes,
isn't it?
not my blood, but just, my lord, I pay for a liberty. So
Huh.
that, my lord, if petitioner advice, my lord, he may come before your lordship for that period, my lord.
Okay. All right.
My lord.
Heard Mr.
Please shake, my lord.
T. Sheikh, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, also heard MS S.
Chutia,
Chutia, learned counsel appearing for respondent number.
elementary education.
Learned standing counsel, elementary education, within bracket, give your respondent numbers, so and so, and MS H. Barwa, learned standing counsel. P. Nayak, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Nayak, learned standing counsel, finance, and so. By way of this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking release of the arrear salary of the petitioner for the period from 27/3/2001 to 21/12/2016 for an amount of rupees 28,63,041, and from 1/1/2017 to 28/2/2020 for an amount of rupees 15,99,294 only as per the proposal submitted by the District Elementary Education Officer Borpeta on 4/1. 4/1, the date is wrongly typed here. 4/1. You have typed 202.
4/1/2021, my lord.
21.
Yes, my lord.
Stop. Yes, now what have you submitted? Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that during the pendency of the writ petition, the aforesaid area salaries,
Not this aforesaid, subsequently they have rectified.
that the respondents have rectified and released the subject area salaries due to the petitioner. He further submits that
My lord, Stephen, my lord, the full salary during the period of 27/3/2021 to 31/12/2016. This period, my lord, stipendiary, my lord, salary has been given, but not the full salary.
However, he submits that for the period 27/3/2001 to 31/12/2016, only the
Stipendiary
salary has been given and not the full salary.
Yes, ma'am.
He accordingly submits that though in view of the aforesaid development, nothing survives for adjudication in the present writ petition. However, a liberty may be given to the writ petitioner to, if so advised, to raise grievance against the non-release of the full salary for the period 27/3/2001 to 31/12/2016. In view of the aforesaid endorsement made by the learned counsel of Swenso, nothing survives for adjudication in this present writ petition. In view of the aforesaid, are you going to withdraw?
Withdraw, my lord.
The writ petition stands closed.
Yes, ma'am.
However, petitioner is at liberty, if so advised, to take appropriate to approach the appropriate forum in connection with his grievance for the full salary for the period 27/3/2001 to 31/12/2016.
Highly obliged.
Disposed of.
That being item number 9.
Lordship, I apologize, Lordship.
It was one
Lordship, this matter has come up after a long time.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, this matter has come up after a long time, Lordship.
Yes, I believe so.
So, Lordship, what I would propose is Lordship can take up this matter on 19th for
Ms. Barwa?
hearing.
Heard Mr. N. Gautam, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Ms. R. Barwa, learned standing counsel.
Guru Alok.
P. Burra for the response.
Sorry, P. Barwa, learned counsel, standing counsel,
No, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Saika.
learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
D. Saika.
D.
and Learned
Saika,
Advocate General.
Advocate General, State. Stop. It appears that this, though hearing in the instant writ petition was concluded on 22/1/2021. However, since after the judgment was reserved, the matter has been released due to certain development. The petitioners the parties are seeking a short accommodation as the matter has been suddenly listed before the court today. In view of the aforesaid prayer made at the bar, the relist on such and such date. Date.
20.
Item number 12.
For same.
Same.
Maybe fix on 26, Lordship. I'm led by.
Same, Mr. S.C. Kayal, learned counsel and petitioner, and Mr.
Yes, Sutradhar for response to.
S. Sutradhar, R7. Then same thing. And fix
57.
released on what date you are suggesting, Mr. Kayal?
26.
26 or Paribo? 26. The only thing, the date might change. Kitya, ready to post the date to deduction? Judgment to Kitya reserve course.
Yes, it was in probably July 2022.
Give me the file.
And we submitted written argument also.
9.
It is 2/2/2024. With written arguments, huh? Okay.
Much.
Item number 13 and 14.
Yes, Mrs. Hajorika,
This is.
you are for the respondent.
After the respondent, for the Modigar.
Yes, Mr. Kotoki.
The proceeding was under challenge, my lord.
Hmm.
And now what has happened, my lord?
Pleadings
basis of
are
where-
completed.
No, the inquiry report, my lord. That inquiry report was set aside by this court, my lord.
This was becoming infructuous here.
You'll also make analysis, this WBC number 2160.
So, the challenge in the current instant writ petition is the inquiry proceedings,
Proceedings, my lord.
Proceedings.
and that has already been set aside.
Yes,
Set
and
aside.
review has been filed, review has been dismissed, the matter has come to. So
Then you'll also make-
So nothing survives.
Nothing, sir. So you'll also may mention this order.
All right. You know, Anidya, Kamal,
The
Anidya,
reviews also there, both.
you both can just help me when I am just dictating the order.
Yes.
Heard Mr. P. Kotoki, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S.M. Hajorika, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. D. Khan, learned counsel appearing for the respondent. Stop. By way of this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is challenging the letters dated 33/2022 and 24/2022 issued by the respondent number 2
And it's 13 and 14, my lord. That is regarding
as regards whereby what was there?
our appeal was dismissed and you was directed to file the WS written statement, my lord.
Whereby the appeal filed by the petitioner was rejected and the petitioner was directed to file WS before the inquiry officer.
Yeah,
Before the
disciplinary.
disciplinary authority.
And the so-called your lordship will find at page
Stop.
21, my lord.
All right. It is submitted at the bar that during the pendency of the aforesaid instant writ proceedings, the disciplinary proceedings, which is
Not a disciplinary, that is was a POS Act, my lord. There was
After the inquiry under the POSH Act, where the report has been filed, that this court has washed and sent it back to the inquiry, to the ICC. And
submit that during the pendency of the instant writ petition,
yes. The initial report filed by the ICC was set aside by this court and matter was
the initial report filed by the ICC
was set
was set aside and the matter was
sent back to the ICC.
sent back to reconstitute the ICC?
No.
To the ICC
To the ICC
to
to
begin.
conclude the proceedings within a reasonable time. It is also submitted at the bar that a review against the aforesaid judgment and order of the coordinate bench of this court was filed. However, the same was
dismissed.
dismissed. That being so, nothing survives for adjudication in the instant writ proceedings. The writ petition accordingly stands dismissed on being infractious.
And the other case, my lord, there are regarding suspension, though I was reinstated, but my remuneration, my lord, suspension has not been paid as of today.
So
Suspension only 25%.
Mr. Kotoki, this order is in item 13.
Yes.
13 is disposed of.
This was other
Now,
item,
what about 14?
14, my lord, I challenged the suspension as well as my subsistence allowance. Though I was reinstated, my lord, on the ground that my criminal case was quashed, my lord. Now, so far, my remuneration, my lord, is subsistence allowance.
That is still surviving.
Yeah, that's why I have to file additional affidavit in this case.
Very well. In item 14, you say, but as prayed for by Mr. P. Kotoki, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, list after 2 weeks,
Yes.
released after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the petitioner to file additional affidavit to bring subsequent development in the matter
Yes.
on record.
Okay.
All right. And put Mrs. Hajorika's appearance also. Huh?
Item 15.
Hmm? Oh, this is also.
Yes, my lord.
So, are you all ready today?
No, my lord, the senior counsel, Mr. K.K. Malde.
You want another date?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, key order hobo. It will.
Not that may be given, my lord.
Yes, why
For
not?
the authority suffered, my lord.
Hmm.
Students are suffering.
Written arguments also submitted.
Yes,
huh?
yes.
So which written arguments so koi diba, heard Mr. DK na? DK das aru efale S N Bora and Mr. Diupamanyu. So and so, huh? And when do you all want it?
Can it be on 19th?
Dialogue release so and so or to date 2024. 19th.
Item 16.
But can it be on 18th, my lord?
18 to sign. All right. Only thing 18th is a Monday, but seeing the bulk of the petition, perhaps Tuesday we can make it a serious endeavor.
19.
19th. You can take it on Thursday also, but what I'm saying is perhaps a hearing day would be better.
But, my lord, 19 is better.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Bhuya, rejoinder.
My lord, I have already prepared but could not file.
All right, as prayed for by Mr. A.R. Bhuya, learned counsel for the writ petitioner, relist after
2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks.
2 weeks to enable the petitioner to file the rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4
My lord.
on a date to be fixed by the registry. Service seems to have been completed.
Yes, Lordship.
Anyone appearing?
Lordship, no, Lordship.
Pension.
Two times, Lordship, services complete, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the petitioner is a retired person from Coal India Limited.
But where are the government councils? This matter involves pension, right?
Lordship,
Yes, government.
the 5 years, Lordship, he has not got.
Mr. Goswami, 5 years, no pension, no affidavits also.
Due to an executive order, passed by an executive magistrate. Lordship.
All right, but it seems Mr. Goswami is not very aware because you see, perhaps he was not handling this matter on behalf of the state. Yes, you are appearing for?
For the company, your lordship, respondents 1 and 2, Coal India.
Lordship.
1 and 2.
Yes, we are for Coal India.
And there are private respondents also.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Who is appearing for them?
Perhaps here in this case, Lordship, the government have no such part.
Okay.
Because only
Who
the,
has to the Oil India?
yes,
Coal
Lordship,
India.
Coal India.
Coal India.
Coal India.
Yes, where is your affidavit?
Yes, sir. Well,
Huh?
your lordship, for releasing the amount, we have no problem.
There's a dispute.
Only the difficulty is that order. For that order, we cannot.
Which order?
That the order.
Lordship, impugn order, Lordship.
Impugn order, yes.
Page?
Lordship may come to page 21, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, passed by sub-divisional magistrate, executive magistrate Margherita. Lordship, 15/12/2020, have seen and paid the petition Secretary Muhammad Samsul Haq, led Ajub Ali, so and so. The petitioner Muhammad Samsul Haq has appealed before SDJ Margherita for redressal of grievances pertaining to non-payment of 50% of the due by the opposite party, that is Hussein Ali. So and so.
Just one
Lordship.
second.
So the matter is civil in nature, but this court is competent enough to draw proceeding under public grievance, taking into consideration the urgency of the matter, as the petitioner feared that the opposite party will flee, taking all the retirement benefits from CIL. In this regard, CIL is directed not to release any retirement benefit like CPF, etc. to the opposite party, Muhammad Hussein Ali, till further order from this court, and also directed to make personal appearance for someone on your behalf.
Because of this, you're not
Yes,
being.
Lord.
But
Order only.
when was the service completed for on 2nd 4/25? However, no one appears for the petitioner as well as the private respondents.
The survey completed 2 times, Lord.
All right, then we will take it up.
Here is the order dated 4/4/2023, Lordship.
You are for 1 and 2.
Yes, sir. Lordship. 1 and 2.
So basically, according to you, you are ready to give it, but because of this order.
This order, that is the hurdle. Wait.
And that person who made this complaint is no more, Lordship.
Oh, yes.
And so, Lordship, in that.
Why didn't you file an affidavit?
Yes, so Lordship, on the next.
You file an affidavit. I'm having it on the next week. Just file a short affidavit. This court will dispose it of.
Yes, sir. Lordship. In the next week, actually, I have some problem. The subsequent week.
All right. Heard Mr. P.K. Das,
Right.
Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
AM Doctor.
A.M. Datta and Mr. J.K. Goswami. A.M. Datta for 1 and 2 and Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned
3, Lordship.
State Respondent 3, Additional Senior Governor. It appears that despite service being completed long back, there is no representation on behalf of the private respondent number
4 to 7.
4 to 7. Mr. So-and-so Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers 1 and 2 submits that though the respondent is ready and willing to release the subject pension to the petitioner, however, in view of the order in view of the impugned order dated 15/12/2020, the same is not being able to be disbursed. He further seeks a short accommodation to file a short affidavit placing placing a short affidavit to bring his stand on record. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date. Yes, when do you want it? Rupak?
Item 18.
Family pension.
Maybe.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Chutia.
I was directed to obtain an instruction clarifying some one point, my lord. Now petitioner has been granted family pension. He was died in normal course. Whether he is died in a harness or in normal course, that is to be clarified. Now his pension has been granted as he. Now one point is to be clarified whether he will be entitled for under 14 September 2017 scheme. That is scheme for compassionate family pension. In lieu of compassionate payment. I will obtain instruction, my lord.
Okay. As heard, Mr.
I hope, Lord.
I Hawk, Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner, also heard Mr. T.C. Jutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate for the state respondent. Mr. R. Boro, respondent number 4, and Mr. Upadhyay for respondent number 1 and 5. Mr. Jutia, Learned so and so seeks a short accommodation to a short accommodation to place the instructions as called earlier by this court. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date. Yes, give a date. 14th August, Mr. Chutia?
Yes.
Or after independence?
Yes, yes.
Number 19.
Yes, Mr. Sharma?
My lord, the issue here is that there are two gradation lists in the state of Assam, my lord. One in the BTC area and the other in the state of Assam. The state respondents have filed their affidavit, my lord. My senior Mr. B. Prasad appeared
I'm appearing for respondent number.
Mr. Prasad, you are appearing for?
Respondent number 10 to 24, my lord.
You want to file something? All right. Heard Mr. M. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B.P. Prasad, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
10 to 24.
10 to
24.
24. As Bora for Standing Counsel BTC. Mr. Chutia, you are also there? So and so, huh? And Mr. Prasad 4. Mr. Prasad so and so seeks how much time?
1 week's time.
1 week time to file return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
20.
I think affidavit in opposition is still awaiting.
Pending, my lord. The lordship may kindly.
Yes, who is supposed to file?
I am appearing for the presiding of the labor court.
Yes.
Only on the last occasion I received notice. Our name also has not been shown today, my lord.
All
I
right.
just came to know.
Affidavit from.
Who has to file now? Are you all filing? You are not filing.
My lord, lordship will permit me. I have received the instructions, my lord.
That's right. So
Yes.
that is why I'm asking.
Yeah,
If you
absolutely.
want to file, just tell me. I will.
Yes.
I'm
want
ready
to
to
file.
give you time. When
Correct.
you want time for filing affidavit, I don't feel we need to waste so much judicial time.
Correct.
These
3 weeks
are
time.
matters which have come
My lord.
immediately. Yes. You are also going to file?
6, 7, and 8. Private as well.
So you are also filing. Heard Mr.
BK Sharma.
BK Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr.
HK Das.
HK Das, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of respondent numbers
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5. Mr.
Sir.
I Hassan, respondent numbers
6, 7, 8.
6, 7, 8. Mr. T.C. Sutyal, an additional senior government advocate for respondent number 1 and 2. As prayed for by the respondents, relist after
3 weeks. my lord.
3 weeks
Yes,
to
maybe.
enable the respondents to file return in the matter. Relist on such and such date after 3 weeks, and let registry reflect the name of Mr. H.K. Das, learned so and so in the cause list.
As SC GHC, my lord.
SSC
GHC.
GSC.
Highly.
That's September. That's it. Item number 21.
Compassionate appointment.
Yes, that can be disposed of also.
Disposed of
Yes.
in your favor or not in your favor?
common judgment has been passed by the coordinate bench lordship that can be lordship applicable in this case.
Lordship, it is covered by Deferred Tiwari case, Lordship. Still
Delay.
exists, Lordship.
Delay.
Delay, Lordship, in the part of delay, Lordship. Died in harness on 15, Lordship.
Give me the dates first. Died when? Who died?
Father died.
Father died.
Father.
He died on lordship 21st of November
21.
11,
Yes.
15, 2015.
Huh? 15. Yes. Application made when?
Application lordship, the first application he made lordship in the January 2016, but that was lordship misplaced. And subsequently, the second application was filed in 8th of August 2017.
8/8/2017. Then
So lordship DLC lordship rejected his case. That DLC minus lordship will find at page 17.
date.
It was lordship on 19th June 2018.
Then
Lordship his case was rejected, citing the grounds that lordship application was filed.
so then you waited and you file in 23.
Yes, lordship. Subsequently, lordship, then another application was filed. That was lordship also not considered. So, and no communication was made to this petitioner lordship. What is the outcome of his application?
Application was filed when?
It was lordship of second application on 8th August 2017.
No. After the DLC rejection,
After the DLC rejection, lordship,
you said an application was filed and not communicated.
it was 26 September 18, lordship, the second application.
26
September
18.
lordship.
Not communicated.
Not
Outcome. And when did you file the writ petition?
It was lordship filed 23. Only after lordship, the lordship will find the names of candidates whose name was rejected. One lordship, Ovijit Kolita lordship, his name was also rejected on the same ground. And he approached this noble court lordship. That page number 19 lordship will find.
Page number
19. Page
Yes.
number 19 lordship, the second column, names lordship.
Yes.
One first is Obijit Kolita, second is Thariti Kolita, third is Biburanjan Nath. This is the petitioner.
Yes.
All these cases were rejected on the same ground. But lordship, the grounds of rejection was not communicated to all those petitioners. Accordingly, the said Obijit Kolita approached this honorable court seeking a direction to at least two lordship communicate the minority.
This is that order.
Yes. Thereafter, lordship, this is the second petition order.
You want this order.
And yes, and only the next ground is
You are okay if this is disposed of in accordance by way of, huh?
In the light of the judgment of Deferred Tiwari, Lordship.
considered by the lordship coordinate bench order. That order is also within the Abdul Qadir Bakshi.
There is a point.
No, but in this order of the coordinate bench which you are giving me here, Deferred Tiwari is not.
No, lordship.
They have not brought in.
That the second judgment I have referred also.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, they challenged the OM dated 18 September
Yes.
2024, Lordship.
Yes.
That was a still existence, Lordship.
Which case?
In the
But
Abdul
in the
Qadir case.
Abdul Qadir, yes. The findings of this case lordship will find at page internal page 75 also.
This order cannot be used as a precedent for cases that are filed on so and so and thereafter.
First paragraph of this judgment.
Yes.
Paragraph number 10.
Yes, I've seen.
Yes. In paragraph number 10, also I am just reading.
See, whatever be it,
Yes.
one thing please try and understand that the ratio in Deferred Tiwari as laid by the Apex Court is very clear.
Yes.
Uh,
That aspect was I.
compassionate appointment is not a source of recruitment.
Right.
Correct?
Right.
It is given in order for the family members who were whose sole bread earner has expired for them, for the immediate hardship. So there is a sense of immediacy, correct? This is the object with which compassionate appointment is given.
Yes.
Now, in your case, whosoever fault it may be, the person expired in 2015.
Yes.
And today we are in 25. Your writ petition also was filed in 2023.
Yes.
Whoever's fault is, Debabrata Tiwari has taken care of that also. You are right, it may not be your fault.
Yes.
Because you have already filed. First time you filed in 2016.
Yes.
Then you filed in 2017, right? Then the rejection came in 18. Immediately September you file another application, but till now you didn't know what has happened.
Yes.
But that this court will not accept, because if DLC has once rejected, you should have come before this court.
Yes.
Where is the question of reconsideration by the DLC once it has rejected?
That
Be that as it may, I'm not getting into the merit of all this. Mr. Counsel, the hands of this court is tied by Debabrata Tiwari. Admittedly, there has been a delay.
Yes.
Now, the moment there is a delay, the entire object of compassionate appointments gets diluted.
In this judgment,
So-
also same reference been given.
Reference may be given, but Mr. Counsel, it's a coordinate bench judgment.
Yes, that is what I'm saying.
Am I bound by the coordinate bench judgment?
Lordship,
The apex court judgment is there.
yes.
How do you
Only-
want this
no.
court to bypass the apex court judgment?
Only issue is that Lordship.
Sorry,
Lordship, kindly see the paragraph number 10.
I have seen para 10.
No.
You read for your
The liberty has
satisfaction.
been
Read.
given to the department Lordship to at the time of Lordship considering his application, liberty was given to consider the developer theory judgment. Paragraph number 10, Lordship, kindly have a look.
I'm not giving this.
No, Lordship, kindly see then.
All right.
No, Lordship, I want main ground. Another ground is there, Lordship. First thing is that his father was an employee of forest department. First thing. And the forest department, Lordship, there is no system of DLC. Every application should be placed before a direct SLC. So
Mr. Counsel, I have said that I am not dismissing your case on merit. I am dismissing your case for delay. There has been a delay,
Yes.
whosoever fault it is.
No, that must also the department has always liberty to approach that aspect regarding delay as per the developer theory judgment. So kindly have the developer theory judgment as well as this judgment also that I have referred to. This Abdul Qadir and this Abhijit Kolda. That must also otherwise also my client will be prejudiced. Client will say also that some person is getting relief referring the judgment and my client is not getting that same relief. Also.
Not a
At least
compassionate
the
appointment
liberty-
introduced
Yes.
due to financial hardship of the.
That aspect.
Sorry.
Not a compassionate scheme was introduced as because of
That's
lots of
what I'm saying.
hardness,
They will know that.
immediate hardship, financial hardship.
Solved it on the part of department only.
That was 10 years delay, Lordship.
Then even after 20 years, you have been considering the application. I can refer the judgment.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes.
are you suggesting that this court will not follow a decision of the apex court?
Lordship will-
Is that your submission, Mr. Counsel?
No, that is not my submission.
Then please try and understand.
Only my humble
Please
submission.
try and understand.
Lordship will
I do
consider-
not want to speak much. Please try and understand. You're an officer of the court.
Got it.
The decision of the apex court in Debabrata Tiwari is loud and clear.
Yes. That is what I'm
Is
saying.
loud and clear.
Yes,
So
Lord.
please behave. Unnecessarily don't make these submissions. You have filed your counter affidavit.
Lordship, affidavit file, Lordship.
Where is your affidavit?
My response number 6, Lordship. We have a relevant para is para 6, Lordship. Filed by one Bikram Setri, Lordship.
Hmm?
Filed by one Bikram Setri,
Yes. Paragraph?
6, Lordship.
What is this OM 10, 12, 27, 10? What is this? Had taken a decision on the basis of the order dated 10/12/2010 of the Honorable Guwahati High Court. Which is this order?
Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship.
Which para, Lordship?
In your affidavit, it is there, page 31. Which is this order? 10/12/2010.
No, visit Kolita case, Lordship.
No, it says, while rejecting the proposal of the petitioner and that of one Shri Avijit Kalita, had taken a decision on the basis of the order dated 10/12/2010 of the Honorable Guwahati High Court and as per the guidelines laid down by the government from time. Which is this 10/12/2010 order?
That is visit Kolita's.
That cannot be.
That was not next, Lordship. PMC meeting. Just, paras 7.
No, the Avijit Kalita is 25/25. All right, Tuesday, next Tuesday. In the meantime, you get this released on such and such date. Mr. Counsel, take this back, huh? I have not recorded, but only for that. You clarify what is that order, because it looks like on the basis of that order, the rejection was done in both cases. And if that is the on the same ground, then maybe he has a case. Because subsequently this court has interfered in Avijit Kalita.
Next day to plan.
And deeply applied us.
Item 22.
You remind me that day.
Yes.
Yes. Records were called, Mr. Saikia.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, the records are here.
What is the issue?
Issue is that the petitioner of Lordship was initially appointed as LDA in a school. In school, there is no scope for promotion of the LDAs.
This is reversion
Yes, my lord.
to the post of LDA.
The government took a conscious decision to upgrade those qualified LDAs to the post of TCR. The petitioner was.
Matter will require a full-fledged hearing.
Full-fledged hearing.
So I'll have it on a hearing day. I'll post it, I'll admit it and post it on a hearing date. Heard Mr. I.H. na? Saikia Leonard Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard MSD Mushahari Leonard Standing Counsel.
Secondary education.
Secondary Education. Anybody else? MS Bideka Leonard Counsel appearing for responding numbers? 4. The matter requires full-fledged hearing. It appears that the records as called for has also been is also available with the Mushahari so-and-so. Pleadings appears to have been also concluded. Admit, relist for hearing in the month of?
Next week, any day, Lordship.
Not next week.
Yeah, on October, Lordship.
You are the private respondent. Okay, post for here because vaccine records are here. Post for hearing, give it here a date, hearing date on such and such date.
Item number 73.
Compassionate appointment.
It has been accepted, Lordship.
Accepted.
By the bank lordship. It is another competence.
So then nothing survives.
Lordship,
Kamal. Yes, you want to say something?
Lordship may dispose of by this. I have seen this. Today they have not. Third para lordship.
We are heard accordingly.
Accordingly.
Housekeeper come office assistant.
Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. M. Sharma.
D. Mahanta.
Sorry, D. Mahanta.
Lordship.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS. S.Y. Yasmin. S. Yasmin, learned counsel appearing for the respondents. By way of this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner is seeking direction for placing the the petitioner is seeking compassionate appointment. Is seeking appointment on the base on compassionate ground. Stop. The brief facts of the case is that the husband of the petitioner, i.e. late Bijuli Basford, while was working as a FTHK grade 4 employee at Union Bank of India, Paltan Bazaar branch, Guwahati, Assam, hereinafter called as the respondent bank, died in harness on 12/9/16, leaving behind one daughter, including petitioner. Stop. Thereafter, an application was submitted immediately for appointing the petitioner on compassionate ground. Stop. Thereafter, the same was forwarded to the senior manager, PND NRO Guwahati. However, since the respondent authority did not place the matter before the selection committee, despite lapse of several years, the petitioner again filed application for consideration. However, since the same also did not bear any fruit, the present writ petition has been filed. Today, when the matter has been called, MS so-and-so Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent bank by placing a letter dated 5/8/2025 received from the respondent bank submits that the petitioner has already been appointed in the bank, respondent bank, as housekeeper cum office assistant. This is on compassionate compassionate ground. Mr. So-and-so for the petitioner has also been, a copy of the same has also been furnished to Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. So-and-so further submits that in view of the aforesaid development, nothing survives for adjudication in the instant writ petition. In view of the aforesaid in view of the fact that the petitioner has already been appointed on
No, Lordship, to be appointed.
in view of the fact that the respondent bank has already taken a decision to appoint the petitioner on compassionate ground, this court deems appropriate to dispose of this instant writ petition by directing the respondent bank to consider the appointment within 2 months from the date of so-and-so disposed of. It is needless to be clarified that this order of this court shall not be treated as a precedent for any other matters. Stop.
Item 24.
Kindly peruse the earlier order, my lord. The respondent must seeking time to file.
Yes. The matter has been pending since 24. Yes.
That's it. Complete instruction not received, but.
But by when will you have your complete instructions? By next year? That's going on from 24. Anyway, we'll give them time. Heard Mr. K.R. Patgiri, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard MS. N. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel. PNRD. Anybody else? Stop. And MS S. Barwan, Learned Government Counsel for respondent number 2 and 5. MS Bora, seeks. I think state, are you required to file anything? MS Barwal and PNRD seeks further 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time to file to complete her instruction and file the return in the matter. It is needless to be, prayer is allowed, released on such and such date, 2 weeks of such date. It is needless to be clarified that since the matter has been pending for filing return for since 2024, it is expected that by the next date of listing, the return is being submitted positively.
Apply.
Item number 26.
Appointment.
Yes. She was selected as a 35th candidate. She was selected
Yes.
as a 35th candidate.
Mr. Majumdar, you are for? Affidavits and everything is complete.
It's filed, Lordship. It is fixed for admission hearing, considering the fact that since 2024, February, she has not been allowed to join. Her other candidates have joined the service, they have completed the training. She is the only one who has been left. And in fact, the new batch will also now enter into.
New batch, Mr. Chaudhary has entered into what?
They will also be appointed now in a sooner time. So she has been waiting for a long time now. And the only issue is with respect to her residential status. That's a legal argument.
Where is your prayer?
My lord, may I kindly see
Page 21.
page 21.
Yes.
Should not be issued to set aside a letter. This is a letter whereby her appointment has been withheld and whereby the appointment of the petitioner was kept on hold, and further why read in the nature of mandamus should not be issued directing the respondent to appoint the petitioner.
Why was the appointment kept on hold? Where do I find this order?
Madam, may I kindly see
Page 82.
Page?
82.
82, annexure 13.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes, please.
This is the 1 day prior to her appointment. This letter had come to her. I am directed to inform you that your appointment to the Assam Civil Service, as per recommendation of APSC, by the result notice dated so and so, dated 17/1/2024, has been kept on hold until further order.
Pending verification.
Verification of your original inhabitant, permanent residential.
So just 1 day before you were given appointment?
Yes, madam.
Where is that order?
Order as in
You said that 1 day.
on the next day, everyone was supposed to get their certificate of appointment.
But you didn't get.
I didn't get. I was not invited. I was told not to come because of
That
this.
is because of this. Because there was some pending verification.
Yes, my lord.
Your
Thereafter-
see, if you that means you've been selected, right, Mr. Chaudhary? Now, generally in all these terms, it is always mentioned. Selection doesn't mean automatic appointment. Selection subject to verification.
Absolutely.
Correct? Now it appears I'm yet to hear you and the other side,
course, ma'am.
but what I'm just trying to understand, Mr. Chaudhary. It appears that you were not given formal appointment because there was some verification.
Verification. In
Now,
fact,
what happened to that
when
verification?
verification was in fact completed. The police also does the verification. Before the interview also, they check the document. It is only on the basis of a news report. The news report got viral during that time. What happened? She was born in Rajasthan. She was married to a person from Assam, permanent resident of Assam since 2013. She had been residing here and she is also working in government service only here. Thereafter, she has appeared in this examination when everything was verified, nothing was found irregular. Subsequently, because of a news item which has been admitted by the respondent also in their affidavit that they got a news report, and on the basis of the new report, this re-verification has started. Now, thereafter, she was called by the circle officer. I'll just show the document.
No, you just finish your facts.
Yes, sir. When circle officer called, circle officer said that you show your PRC document. But when applying for a post, the document which was required was PRC or voter ID. Because my lord will know that PRC is for higher education purpose. It cannot be possessed by everyone. In fact, a person who has studied in Assam also, if does not pursue his career in Assam, that person will not have a PRC for higher education. He will go outside. He doesn't need a PRC. So PRC cannot, admittedly, it is written everywhere, PRC is for higher education. So she cannot have the PRC, her husband had the PRC. So the husband is a permanent resident, there is no doubt on that. So that PRC or voter ID, any of the two was asked by the respondent while submitting her application form. When circle officer called, circle officer asked for the PRC document. She said that I cannot have the PRC document. Admittedly, I am married to a person from Assam. He's a Bengali, but he's a resident of Assam. His grandfather was a freedom fighter. His father was a government servant, has retired as a superintendent engineer in PWD. So everything has been placed before the circle officer. Now, thereafter, for 8 months, they have not taken any decision. The respondent did not take any decision after calling for that by the circle officer. So I had to file this writ petition. I filed my writ petition. Initially, they filed an affidavit. In the affidavit, they doesn't mention, they just say that in the advertisement, there is a mention of original inhabitant. And also, I don't possess permanent residential certificate. Apart from that, it is admitted that my husband is a resident and all other things have been admitted by the respondent. So in the initial time of filing the first affidavit, the only thing was mentioned as I did not have the PRC document. Subsequently, this honorable court, because there is a statement mentioned that the authority is taking a decision shortly, because that PRC, not having a PRC, was the report of the circle officer, but no decision was taken by the authority. Now, thereafter, this honorable court has directed that you get the instruction or an order within 10 days. So thereafter, they come up with a written instruction. Now, this time they say that I am not original inhabitant because I'm not born in Assam and I'm married to a person from Assam. That's why a wife will not be treated to be an original inhabitant. That was the statement in the instruction.
But in the advertisement, that clause was there.
Yes.
Original inhabitant.
Yes. There is a rule also which says that original inhabitant. My argument is different.
But Mr. Chaudhary, please tell me what is your legal right? You are you've been only included in the select list. Included just because your name was included in the select list.
No, I
mean that your appointment will be given as a matter of course.
I agree to a lordship.
Correct. So you have to have the relevant documents. Now, if I am yet to apply my mind, you are yet to start. But if what I heard you and the original inhabitant is one of the condition, which admittedly you are not, because you are not from.
No, my lord, there is an argument.
You are not from Assam, right? You are from where? West Bengal?
No, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. And you married someone from
Yes,
Assam, but that doesn't make you an original inhabitant.
There comes the second part. When they come out with the instruction that I am not the original inhabitant, that's a specific question, not in one occasion, 2 occasions, that you apprise the term, what is original inhabitant, fallen from the lordship side. What is original inhabitant has not been defined anywhere. First of all, one order says that you bring any office memorandum or anything to show who is.
Has anything been now brought?
In the affidavit, they say that there is no definition.
Correct. Mr. Majumdar, what would original inhabitant mean? Is there anything available? Otherwise, you give it, because looks like the whole case depends on the term original inhabitant, right?
There is another aspect. In the in our affidavit, we have annexed a notification page.
You see, I generally always like to hear the petitioner first as per the thing. So, but I'm only cutting him short only for this part. Because looks like one of the argument, and probably that would be the primary argument, because he's trying to say that he is an original inhabitant. But you are trying to say no, because you are from Rajasthan, you have come here, you've married someone here, so that doesn't make you an original inhabitant.
This is
but where do we get the definition of original inhabitant? Because this is one of the clause, right, in your application.
My lord, in the rules of 1989, there is another aspect which says that a candidate should be registered in a district employment office of Assam. Now, she has a registration, but for the purpose of registration, my lord, there is one more eligibility criteria. That is, any citizen who is domicile of Assam for more than 20 years is only entitled to be registered with the.
Where are those?
My lord, that your lordship first will find a page 36. Advertisement is a page, relevant portion is page 36, my lord. In the writ petition.
36 is the advertisement.
There the clause F under clause 6F.
Yes, candidate must be an original inhabitant of Assam.
Now,
Yes.
if your lordship goes to the relevant rules, my lord, which your lordship will find at page 103. 103. Of the
103
in a part of our affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
The notification dated 19th of December 20.
Yes.
Gazette notification, my lord. Assam Public Services Combined Competitive Examination Rules 1989.
Yes. A candidate must be an original inhabitant of Assam.
Yes.
D.
Yes.
Right.
My lord. And C.
Hmm.
Next page, my lord, 104. A candidate should be registered in a district employment office of Assam. D. A candidate must be an original inhabitant of Assam. So apart from the fact that she has to be original inhabitant of Assam, C requires that candidate should also be registered in a district employment exchange.
Hmm.
Now, if your lordship goes to page 117.
But still, what is original inhabitant?
No, that will possibly will require your lordship's interpretation.
No, but how do we interpret unless you have something to show? Because it is part of your rules.
My lord,
What would it mean?
My lord, page 117 or something, kindly have a look.
Because otherwise, one way of seeing is that since it is C and D together, it means that it has to be a person from here.
From here,
Original.
and page 117 will make.
What is the inhabitant meaning in the Oxford Dictionary? Are you carrying anything? Mr. Chaudhary?
No, my lord, I'm not carrying the meaning, my lord. May I just say this original inhabitant, if it is defined,
I mean,
that will
let's
have a
not
very,
let's not start doing guesswork.
no, that will give a very huge impact, original inhabitant.
See, that is a different thing, but it looks like
Defined.
if this court has to decide this issue, this court has to also see what an original inhabitant would mean. Because if suppose this court holds that a person has to be born here, has to be from here, then of course you are not qualified. But if this court comes to you know, because you've been married, you've been here living in Assam for quite some time, because of that period of time, you see, two ways of seeing it.
Absolutely, I agree
Right.
with your lordship.
Now, this court will have to finally hold something.
Yes, sir.
So now for that, I'll need some backups from both of you.
Hello.
Dictionary meaning as well as if there are anything else, Mr. Majumdar, because otherwise, how will this court decide it? And Mr. Chaudhary is right, it will have a far-reaching impact because the moment
it will have
correct.
Because the other candidates, my lord, may I just say the other
Page 117,
Yes,
you wanted
my
to show something. What is
Yes,
117?
page 117, my lord, but it's available in the website of Assam, my lord. When 117 lord will file the eligibility criteria for registration with the employment exchange.
Yes.
Now, at the bottom lord will find 1.2 eligibility criteria. Any citizen who is domicile of Assam for more than 20 years or whose parents and forefathers.
117
117
is a part of an affidavit. It says further the state authorities fail to submit any documents. That part. This is, I think, the reply affidavit.
This is
the second affidavit.
Our additional affidavit by state, madam. Start from page 107.
I think there is something wrong. This is 108. And this is an affidavit in reply.
That is what I am referring to.
Here,
Yes.
page 117.
117.
No, that is
The sub paragraph is further the state authorities.
No.
I think something is wrong.
Second, that additional affidavit in opposition filed by the state. It should be additional affidavit in opposition. 108.
The affidavit is that we filed on 30th of April 2025.
117 to 2200.
34 2025. On that situation, my lord, what will happen? This other candidate also, it has not been verified whether they were born in Assam, how many years they have stayed, because the criteria was only either PRC or voter ID. I also have a voter ID.
But you don't have a PRC.
PRC or voter ID. So all the candidates, most of the candidates might not have given PRC because many of them might have studied outside Assam. PRC is required for higher education purpose. For example, in MBBS there is a quota. For engineering there is a quota. That's why one applies for PRC, or else it is not required.
Well, now that it is there in the advertisement, and we are also saying that under the rules, registration is compulsory. This is page 132, and subsequently page numbers were changed. Now, page 132, Lord will find this is regarding the eligibility for being registered with the employment exchange
Any citizen who is domicile of Assam
for more than 20 years.
20 years or whose parents and forefathers have continuously resided in Assam for a minimum period of 50 years. The applicant must. So this is there.
No, my lord. Yes, sir.
This condition the petitioner doesn't fulfill. But in spite of that, she has a registration. So what we are saying today is, it has come up in the report that she is not entitled to registration with the employment exchange. They are in the position, she is not entitled to participate because she doesn't fulfill the requirement of the rules, which says that a candidate should be registered in the district employment office of Assam. This is one of the requirements, apart from the question of original inhabitant of Assam. So there are two aspects, and this requires a full-fledged hearing. Let my learned friend also come up with all the methods. I'll also come up with all the.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll have it on a hearing day.
My lord.
May I just request if it is possible for your lordship?
When do you want it?
Is it possible tomorrow lordship is hearing day?
This week not possible, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes,
Next week Thursday. Next week Thursday.
Next week Thursday, my lord. Just 1 second, lordship.
We'll have to come from Delhi.
Yes, lordship.
You have a look.
Yes.
Tuesday, a couple of matters have already been fixed.
Next week Thursday, before Independence Day, my lord, I don't know whether 15th is closed.
All right, whatever, you can just.
21st.
21st, Mr. Majumdar? Is 21st okay? And see, I'm putting it on 21st, and the endeavor is to dispose it off. So please have your, if possible, a short synopsis from both sides and also the dictionary meaning of inhabitant.
Whatever methods he's relying.
Whatever.
We come up with all
Yes.
this.
But Mr. D.
Instead of 21st, can it be 28 so that I also.
20.
28.
28.
Is a Thursday.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary has to come. We are here.
Yes,
Yes,
let him have his convenience.
Heard Mr. K. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. Majumdar, learned senior counsel, stroke additional additional advocate general, assisted by Mr. J.K. Goswami, learned state counsel. Anybody else? Mr. P.B. Datta, P.P. Datta, learned APC, APSC. Anyone else? No. It appears that the matter requires a full-fledged hearing. Pleadings being completed. Pleadings are already completed. Admit, post for hearing on such and such date.
May I request, my lord, rather than admit.
No, I'm
subsequent
admitting
action
it.
Hearing.
Posting it on for hearing. What you want a hearing? How does it matter to you?
Delayed.
No, why will it be getting delayed? I'm putting it for hearing on such and on such and such date. Parties are also requested to submit written submissions and synopsis if they so desire, are at liberty.
Last request, my lord. My lord may say, endeavor shall be made to this.
All right, next.
May I suggest first about synopsis, my lord? Let the hearing takes place. After in the hearing, we
If so, I said are at liberty.
Man, I'll file it.
I said at liberty. You you can file.
Man, I file. What I want is after.
It's all right. You know, Mr. Majumdar, this court will give you that accommodation.
Apply.
Yes.
My lord will not record that.
Huh?
Endeavor to this.
It will get,
oblige.
no, you don't, not to worry.
Oblige.
Item 27.
Yes.
The matter regarding the provincialization of service, my lord. Provincialization of service. The case of the
Affidavit in opposition is filed.
filed by the director, but part of the director has already over. Now the matter is pending before the government, my lord.
Where is government?
Case 44, my lord. The proposal was sent on
Government.
August 2024.
What is the status of the proposal? Yes, government. Why so confusion? Anybody is going to appear?
Secondary education are appearing, your lordship. We have sent a proposal to the government on 9/8/2024.
Who is appearing for secondary education? Yes, Ms. Fukan?
Secondary, I'm appearing, my lord.
Which paragraph? The
In
proposal?
page number 49, paragraph number 8, your lordship, of our affidavit. Last paragraph, your lordship.
Yes.
The last paragraph, your lordship.
Accordingly,
No, your lordship, after that, the deponent further
further
begs
begs
to
to
state.
state that proposal for creation of 8 posts of provisionalization of services of teaching staff and so, including the name of the petitioner, has been sent to the government by so and so. Yes. Now we are waiting for the government to do their part in this regard, and necessary action will be taken henceforth. Yes.
Your lordship, our name has not been shown, that's why.
All
They-
right.
they
Now
have
that
not
you are
served-
there,
They have not served us any copy also yet, your lordship.
how do you know, Ms. Fukan?
Because our name has not been shown.
Your name may not have been shown.
All the copies have been received by the secondary edition.
Please don't make.
Secondary
Anyway, you want a copy, he will give it to you, but get hold of the status.
Okay,
I
will.
want the up-to-date status of the proposal on the
Yes,
next
yes.
date of hearing,
Yes.
right? You give him
Yes,
a, give her a
yes.
copy. Heard, Mr.
DA Kaimi.
So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard MS.
H. Tarangpi, your lordship.
H. Tarangpi for respondent numbers
1, 2, and 4, your lordship.
1, 2, and 4.
Yes, your lordship.
And MS K. Fukan,
Yes, your lordship.
learned standing council, secondary education.
No, I'm for the secondary education.
Sorry, secondary education, and you are for state of Assam, no?
Yes, your lordship.
Think 1, 2, 3. 1,
No.
3, or 4.
Government council.
We have not made party, your lord.
Huh?
We have not made party, huh?
You're not a party.
The secretary education department, Miller. Serial number 1. Resolution number 1, Miller.
Secretary to the Government of Assam Finance Department is there. And number 1, State of Assam, represented by the Secretary to the Government of Assam.
Yes, Miller.
Who will, Department of School Education, who's going to appear? So then you have to only give. Respondent number 1 has to give this information. Mr. Councils, you must be aware of what is happening in your department. Just because your affidavit says we are waiting for the government, government is you.
Yes, your lordship.
R1, you are appearing for R1.
Yes,
So
sir.
find
For
out the
the
information.
This affidavit is filed by the director, your
Correct, but now you find out from respondent number 1 and place that information on the next
lordship.
date.
The next day, yes.
Why are you unnecessarily dragging Ms. Fukan into the matter? She has no role to play.
Sorry, your lordship. On the next day.
You
your
must
lordship.
be aware of the brief that you hold. What is happening? It appears from the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the Director of Secondary Education Assam Kahilipara Guwahati 19 on 7/3/2025 that proposal for creation of 8 posts of provincialization of services of teaching staffs of different high school and senior secondary schools, including the name of the petitioner, has been sent to the government by office letter dated 9/8/2024. However, the response from the government is still being awaited. MS so and so seeks 1 week time.
2 weeks a lot.
Why 2 weeks? 10 days time to obtain up-to-date status as regards the status of the aforesaid proposal. Relist on such and such date. Date did differ. Okay.
Number 78.
Reply affidavit filed.
No, man.
Are you filing or not? Because you are taking time, I think.
No, they have not filed opposition, my lord.
Not filed.
Not filed, my lord. We have received the instructional that was also placed on last occasion. We will file our.
All right. Heard as prayed for by Mr.
PK Bora, my lord.
PK Borwa.
Bora, my lord.
Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for
Elementary Education Department.
Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education. The
Respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the respondent to file return in the matter. You want to file something? Just give your appearance slips. Yes. Next.
Obliged.
Item 29.
Yes, counter filed.
Lordship, I have received Lordship. So I have received instruction.
You heard Mr. R.K. Talukdar, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. B. Chaudhary, also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary,
For 5 and 6.
Learned Standing Counsel.
Yes.
Standing Counsel.
SCRT 5 and 6.
SCRT, na?
Yes.
Within bracket 5 and 6. Mr. Chaudhary submits that he has received instructions and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of return. Prayer is allowed, released after 2 weeks
Lordship.
on a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the said respondent submit return in the matter.
Lordship, can I pay for a fixed date, Lordship? Because
Why? It will
Lordship,
come.
because
Next.
there are related
Yes.
reduction of payment.
Next.
Item 30.
Amended cost title file.
My lord, supposed to bring my lord.
Yes, what happened?
Instruction, my lord.
Time required, Lordship.
Huh?
Some more time.
Some
required.
more time.
My lord,
As prayed for by MS S. Barwa, Learned CGC. Relist after?
on 3rd January it was.
After
3 weeks.
3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. It is needless to be clarified that since sufficient time has already been granted, the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing.
31.
Yes. Affidavits.
The last occasion.
Apprise the court as to why the retirement benefits of the petitioners are not being released to them.
Lordship, within more time.
What time? What time you need? Why? You just have to apprise the court why the retirement benefits have not been released till now. Since when they have not been, haven't been released?
2022. Lordship.
22. We are in 25. Is
The
inhuman.
US counsel is sick, so he cannot come.
That is all right. Where is the instruction? You could have placed the instruction before the court. You are an officer of the court.
What he instructed me to do.
When can your instructing counsel make himself available before this court?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Huh?
Within 2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
This is the last chance we want.
Next week. It appears that though this matter has been listed today to enable the respondent counsel to apprise this court as to why the retirement benefits of the petitioner which are not being released to them, comma, MS
FNA Hussain.
FN
FNA Hussain.
Hussain Learned Counsel submits that the instructing that Mr. A. Jahid is indisposed and accordingly sought time. Be that as it may, since the retirement benefits are as claimed for in the instant petition are due since 2022, relist this matter on such and such date next week or Friday did you, but our Monday did you on such and date. In the event the instructions as called for is not placed before this court, personal appearance of the concerned officer shall be issued.
Item 32.
GRF and gratuity.
My lord, this is in regard to the last order.
Hmm?
That is on 19/6, my lord. In view of that order, my lord, the
Instructions
yes, my accountant
were supposed to be filed by way of an affidavit.
Yes,
Have you filed?
I have sent for waiting 1 week time maybe.
All right, Mr. Mohanto, he's already prepared it. Okay, Mr. C. Barua, as prayed for by Mr. C. Barua, no, don't say as prayed. Heard Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. C. Barua, learned
Standing Council AG in
standing counsel AG,
Accountant General.
Accountant General, and who else? Huh? As does learned standing counsel, education higher department, and who anybody else 7 and 8? P. Barwa, learned Pora, learned counsel appearing for the respondent 7 to 8. Mr. C. Barwa, learned so and so submits that the affidavit has been is already prepared. The affidavit though has already been prepared. However, since the same has been sent for vetting, could not be filed today. He accordingly seeks a short accommodation to file the same. Prayer is allowed, relist on such and such date. Yes. When?
one short date will be given, my lord. The petitioner's wife is suffering.
Yes,
cancer
Rupak.
patient, my lord.
26 August.
August. Okay.
Yes, next.
Item 33.
Mr. Decca, I think affidavit is filed here. Yes, Ms. Barwa.
The respondent has filed, but the affidavit from the APDCL is still waiting.
Where is Datta? PB Datta? APDC. Oh, sorry, this is APDCL.
APDCL.
I heard APSC.
Oh, no, APDCL.
Mahanta is appearing. Yes.
Milos, we would like to pick up the matter. Matter was heard in part by Honorable Justice.
All right, list before appropriate bench.
My letter matter was released from part. Last order, man.
Councils.
Last order, last 9 minutes.
I'm so sorry, Milos.
Yes, not to be treated. Councils, Mr. Mahanta.
I'm so sorry.
Anyway,
My
what do you want now?
let them file their affidavit, Milos.
Who will file affidavit?
APDCL will file affidavit, then we'll.
What affidavit, Mr. Mahanta, you want the petitioner to file? Have you filed your counter?
Yes.
Have you filed your counter?
Yes.
You have filed.
Yes.
And now who else has to file?
APDCL, my letter authorities, man.
When will you file? Mr. Mahanta, you cannot control the petitioner. You are the respondent, you filed your return. Very good. Yes. Heard Mr. R.M. Dekana, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Mahanta, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 5. Also heard Mr. Bhattakur, learned standing counsel APDCL. Mr. Bhattakur seeks for how much time? 3 weeks time to file return in the matter. It appears that affidavit return on behalf of the respondent number 4 has already been filed. Relist after so and so to enable the APDCL department to file return in the matter. In the meantime, if petitioners so advised, may file rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4. Give a date, huh?
8 September. 34.
It decreases your lordship. Here, your lordship, instruction has shout for your lordship and instruction received. We would like to file our affidavit. Kindly grant us 1 week time, your lordship.
My lord, one submission, my lord. One submission, my lord. I have no objection in filing the affidavit, but so far, my lord, the regulation of these all drop pieces, my lord. The list is also annexed. When the joint committee meeting also, independent committee meeting also recommended our name. So, my lord, in last occasion, one, my lord, the review committee meeting has been held, and in by which
Only I have independent authorities report.
Let Mr. Mohanta complete his submission, Ms. Counsel. Why are you being so impatient? Yes, Mr.
My lord,
Mohanta.
in which my lord joint committee meeting, altogether 5 persons from the list already been recommended for provincialization. So my instruction is this: on 11, my lord, second review committee will be there. So my prayer is that our case may be placed before the review committee. So
That it is difficult for us to say.
Because
If they want, they will do. But anyway, you want to file your affidavit. Your name?
MS Piras.
MSP Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the secondary, are you a standing counsel?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Standing Counsel, Secondary Education Department seeks further
1 week time.
1 week time to file return in the matter. Since she has already received the instructions, it is expected that the return shall be positively filed by the next date of listing. Relist on such and such date after a week at a date detail.
But maybe there is no
What
bar-
liberty?
No bar can to place before.
Why you don't
Because
need
in
that
view of
liberty?
This order, my lord, in view of this.
It's
order.
all right. Next,
Lordship, have a look of this. my lord. Kindly.
next.
There is an order, my lord. That is why I am want to. Say.
Next.
Item 35.
Same, my lord.
Same.
No, it's a no. 35 is same, my lord.
Same.
Same, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same. 35 is same.
35 is same, but in this matter, I have received the instructions, Your Lordship.
So you'll file.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So same order. Kali Nam respondent. You give her name. Okay. Next.
Item number 37.
By order dated 24/6/2025, my lord.
Yes,
Last
Mr. Bora.
paragraph, my lord. 24/6/2025. Again, in regard to the projection made by the petitioner respondent cell, file their counter on or before next.
Yes. What happened? Counter affidavits.
I'm praying for thought accommodation, Your Lordship, to file affidavit.
Why?
Similar order already passed, my lord,
It is-
regarding that issue. T4 order has already passed. I'm also annexed this.
Last chance.
Lordship.
As prayed for by Miss MS.
S4,
Esquire Learned Counsel appearing for the
elementary education.
elementary education relist by way of a last chance. By way of a last chance, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent file a complete return in the matter. Data da video. Last chance.
38.
My lord. Today it is fixed for considering my lord interim order, my lord.
Yes, affidavit.
Your Lordship, instruction in this matter, Your Lordship is not to receive, Your Lordship. Short date may be given, Your Lordship.
Notice was also issued on interim, so we'll give a short date
Yes,
and
Your
on the
Lordship.
next date. As prayed for by MS.
Piras.
P. Das, Learned Standing Council, Secondary, no?
Yes, Your
Learned
Lordship.
Standing
1, 2,
Council,
3.
Secondary Education Department, within bracket, respondent numbers 1, 2, 3. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
I'm deeply
To
aware.
enable the respondent file return in the matter and also objection in response to the interim relief as sought for. Whatever, you may take it in your affidavit, but I have, since notice was issued, so I have given it.
39.
May I present?
Yes.
Lordship, please to see the last.
Affidavit in opposition.
Last order, Lordship, 26th of June.
Yes.
They're supposed to get instruction, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Fukan.
In this matter, we are awaiting our instruction, my lord.
Why today in all the matters, instructions, either instructions received, no affidavits, or instructions awaited. Anyway, you have come for the first time. You are waiting for instruction.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But get it by the next
I'll
day.
get it for 10 days.
Heard Mr. A. Decano, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel
For the elementary education.
Elementary Education, in bracket, respond numbers
1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Fukan, so and so seeks for the 2 weeks time.
2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file to submit return in the matter. Prayer is allowed. Relist after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Deeply obliged.
Supplementary is item number 58.
May I please the lordship. On the last occasion, my lord, they are to apprise the court, my lord, after extension of the suspension, my lord, whether any reason order has been passed or not, my lord.
Oh, this is that.
That case, my lord, but no affidavit they have filed, but does not disclose, my lord. In terms of the judgment of our High Court also, my lord, does not disclose.
No, after the last order, nothing has been filed. Yes, who is appearing in this matter?
GMC is
Yes, GMC.
P Nayak was appearing.
Not there right now. Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, none appears for the GMC so-and-so, released on Monday. Next.
Time being item number 3.
The real issue is whether petitioner will be entitled for old pensions and on new pension method. Issue is.
Yes, who is appearing? I think if pleadings are complete.
Well,
Mr. Kalita, pleadings are complete. New pension or old pension?
yes, that is the issue. Petitioner was initially appointed, my lord.
Who is appearing? Who is appearing?
Government.
I think Human Rights Commission is there, who will appear, my lord.
Pleadings are complete. Then I will. Are you ready, Mr. Chutia? Otherwise,
Ready for, fixed for hearing, my lord.
all right, and I admit it and post it for hearing. I heard Mr. N. Kalita, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. T.C. Chutia, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate for the state respondents. It appears that pleadings are completed. Matter requires full-fledged hearing. Admit no fresh notice as parties are represented, and list for hearing in the month of October 2025 on any date to be fixed by the registry.
For orders, item number 40.
Why is this matter for orders?
Amended cost title, I filed on amended cost title.
Mhm.
And affidavit has not been filed by the state.
Yes.
I appear for a response number 4, 8 and 9. We have already filed our affidavit.
What about other respondents?
And what if the service in respect of response number 5 and 6 is yet to be completed? And they have not made any effort to take steps.
I have submitted there. There are some mistakes we can address from.
So they should take steps for the director.
What about this amended cost title for correction in the name of R6?
Yes.
After that notice has been issued on R6.
Not issued. Amended cost title I have filed, not issued.
But that has to be done, I think.
That lawsuit issue notice to respondent.
Who is R6?
Respondent number 6.
Who is he?
Shankarnath, that is, he has been illegally selected by contractor.
Private respondent.
Private respondent.
And what about 5?
5 made out affidavit.
5, someone is appearing?
No.
Because 5 is also not complete.
Not complete.
Let me take first steps on 5 and 6.
All right. Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
SK Das for response number 4, 8 and 9.
SK?
SK Das for
Das for respondent number 4 and
4, 8 and 9.
8 and 9. And Mr.
7.
Huh? A? H. Alongi. Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers 7. And MS Barua for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. It appears that the amended cost title as directed earlier has been filed. Mr. So-and-so seeks for, as not seeks, submits that he may be allowed to take fresh steps on respondent number 4 and 5. 5. Prayer is allowed. Let notice also be issued in respect of respondent number 6 by registered post AD within a period of 3 days from today. Released after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
41.
Service is completed, I think. File to club Yes.
In this matter, we need to file an application, substitute application as respondent number
As prayed for by Mr.
A. Kashyap.
A. Kashyap, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner, released after
3 weeks.
3 weeks to enable the petitioner to file a necessary substitution application in the matter.
Respondent number 11 has expired.
As respondent number 11 in the meantime has expired.
Item 42 and 43.
Service completed?
Lordship,
Hmm?
Lordship, there is no communication between, with the client, my lord, for more than 2 years, my lord. They may not be interested to pursue the case, my lord.
No, but
Also met, subject to your lordship respondent steps, your lordship 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 service report awaited.
have
They
you
have to
have you given them a registered post letter?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
Have you given?
Yes, my lord,
Have you given a registered post letter to the petitioner?
no, there is no communication.
That is why I'm asking. Have you communicated through registered post letter?
No, ma'am.
So how can you say they may not be interested? You are an officer of the court. You have been engaged by the petitioner. You make some attempts to communicate to your petitioner and then file an affidavit to that effect. All right. Heard, Mr.
HL Lashkar.
H.
HL Lashkar.
Lashkar, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. as prayed for by so and so, relist after 3 weeks to enable so and so to take up necessary instructions from his client.
Most of.
Deeply opposed.
Item number 44 and 45. Okay.
Forty-four and 45. Service is complete.
There is a recent development with regard to Mr. R. Mazumdar, his lordship now. So lordship again.
You make alternative arrangement.
Lordship.
You want that or you want to communicate to the client?
No, lordship. I'll make an alternative.
No, otherwise I will not say that because you are also there.
Yes, yes.
So I will simply adjourn it. In the meantime, you do
Yes.
whatever you want to do. Service is completed.
Yes, service is completed. Actually, it has to be fixed in the admission column.
But what about the affidavit?
They have filed their affidavit.
Your lordship, there are 2 matters. Your lordship, in the first matter, state has filed affidavit already. Your lordship, in the second matter, it is not yet filed.
You will file.
I'll file it.
All right, take both the matters together. Heard, Mr.
Arbora.
Arbora, Learned Counsel appearing for
May
the.
I humbly submit? In 1927, the affidavit may not be required because it has already become infructuous.
All right, Arbora for the writ petitioner. Also heard Mr. Kuarna, Learned Counsel appearing for additional Advocate General.
Yes.
State, huh? And as prayed for by Mr. R. Bora, relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. I'm not saying you do whatever you do. They might ask you to appear, so why should you say alternative arrangements? Yes.
56. May I please, your lordship? So this is my lord, non-payment of my arrears salary, my lord. Last 3 years, my lord, matter is not come with it. Now they have not also filed affidavit also.
So the arrears salary is due since when?
During my suspension period. lordship.
Suspension.
Yes.
Yes. Last chance.
Lordship.
As prayed for by Mr. S. Das. Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers 1 and 2. Relist on give a date after 3 weeks on such and such date to enable so and so to positively file return in the matter.
Fourth September. Fourth September.
Deeply obliged.
Item 47.
My lord, non-compliance of the order, my lord, operative part is at page 58, my lord.
Contempt matter.
Yes, my lord, but they have filed an affidavit, my lord, saying that, my lord, they have referred the matter to the government, waiting for the instruction, my lord. Page 29 of their affidavit filed by respondent number 2.
What is this?
Been prepared, madam. It has already been uploaded in the e-portal, madam. We are waiting for the approval of the government, madam.
Have you given a copy?
No, madam, I will serve, madam.
You are not filing any affidavit.
Let them file affidavit, my
You see, Miss
But in this case, this is the present status, madam.
Achha, this is the present. All right, then I think it will be done. They have,
Let me give me a copy, my lord. The photo, hello. We'll just click it up photo, my lord, and fix some other day, man.
yes, MS
SUTM.
As Sutia led counsel appearing for the contender submits that there has been certain development in the matter, and accordingly
After 3 weeks. madam.
six accommodation in the matter. Relist after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. This you take back. You on that day you give the up to date status, huh?
They have filed a counter affidavit.
You want to file rejoinder?
You have to rejoin.
Heard Mr.
P. Chaudhary.
P. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, learned counsel standing counsel.
Yes.
Learned standing counsel APDCL.
ONGC.
ONGC. Mr.
4 weeks time.
P. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks 4 weeks time to file rejoinder against the counter affidavit filed by the respondent. Stop. Prayer is allowed. Relist after so and so on a date to be fixed by the registry.
As far as regards item number 48, the contempt matter, Manoj, we filed a preliminary affidavit on the maintainability issue, Manoj.
That's all right.
That may be taken up for disposal, Manoj.
Maintainability of a contempt.
Contempt matter. It is firstly a time bar, and they are seeking enforcement of an order.
What maintainability? That is on merit. We
I
here,
listened to the High
if
Court
there
and
is
High
that
Court
3 years, you mean to say that 3 years?
1 year, Manoj.
1 year, sorry.
Yes.
That
And
is
the
what.
order-
All right, we'll hear it when it comes. Yes.
It's more on the 215 of the constitution, your lord. Not a.
Huh?
215 of the constitution is filed under that. It's a-
Anyway, we will see when the matter is called, Mr. Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
49 also. 49 also.
49 is done, na?
That's it.
Eki to 48, 49.
49 is a writ petition, that's why.
So together we have passed it.
Yes.
You file whatever you have to file. It
Yeah,
will
we
be
are
taken
fine.
up. Yes.
Item 50.
Service is complete, respondent 1 and 2 have to enter their requirement.
Yes, where is the affidavit filed or not?
No.
Huh?
It has been complied, my lord, page number 15 of the contempt petition may be.
Page 15.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
In para number 6. If may I read?
Yes, please.
Therefore, the writ petition stands closed with a direction to the.
For sanction of the supplementary demand for the area salary of the petitioner.
My lord, page number 15.
Page 15.
15.
That's right.
Yes, my lord.
The order is for sanction of the supplementary demand for the area salary of the petitioner. Correct.
Yes, my lord, the order dated passed in WPC within a, I mean, yeah, my lord, it is compliant, it is closed, my lord. This.
Have you seen?
Yes, my lord.
Have you seen?
It is closed.
Give him a copy.
The order of the court, my lord.
Huh?
It is in terms of paragraph 7, Lordship, may I read, Lordship? This read petition stands closed with the direction to respondent
Which
authorities.
para are you reading?
Lordship, page 15, Lordship.
I have page 15, para 7 in my copy is only accordingly this petition stands closed.
6.
Six. Para six, my lord.
Yes.
Therefore, this read petition stands closed with the direction.
Mr. Counsel, the operating part of this is down, right?
Lord.
Of this order for sanction of the supplementary demand for the area salary of the petitioner. That is the order to be done, isn't it?
Lordship.
So has it been done or not? That's
No.
what I'm asking.
No, Lordship.
My lord, it is done, my lord, since it is closed one. May.
Mr. Counsel, please remember one thing. You are before a contempt jurisdictional court. A notice has been issued. What does that notice say? Now, in such matters, even if you have complied, you must come up with an affidavit firstly. You cannot just simply come with a piece of paper and say it's complied. Don't take these contempt matters so lightly.
Here, In this.
Paragraph 6, if I have understood, it says, therefore, this writ petition stands closed with a direction to the respondent authorities to comply with the directions issued by this court in paragraph 7 of the order dated so and so, passed in so and so, within a time limit of 90 days from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order for sanction of the supplementary demand for the area salary of the petitioner. So from the beginning, I'm only saying that. Now the question is this sanction been done or not done?
Done, my.
Please give a copy to him.
Yes, my lord.
He is the petitioner. Please give me a copy. Please see if it is done or not. Sanction has been done or not.
Yes, my lord, the payment has been released, my lord, on 15th July.
No, Lordship, my submission is that let my friend
Give.
submit a affidavit for this court, Lordship.
It has been released. Sanction, release. What remains?
But Lordship, the petitioner has not been communicated.
How does that matter? Anyway, you file an affidavit next week, within a week's time. Bring it on record. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Hajorika, learned counsel appearing for the contemners. Mr. Hajorika submits that the order of submits that he has received instructions from the secretary to the government of Assam by letter dated 15/7/2025 to indicate that the area salary amounting to rupees 176,901 lakhs has already been released by the government, and accordingly MD APCDL has handed over the amount to the petitioner Shri Govinda Rajbansi. However, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, disputes the aforesaid position. Let an affidavit be filed, placing the aforesaid letter on record. Relist on such and such date. Next week at that date. By when can you file it? Thursday? I'm having it on next Friday. Next Friday date today. And take this back. Monday? Take that back, huh?
I don't 51.
My lord, in this case, I have the instruction to appear, my lord. Later, may they come after previous one. In the meantime, I will file it.
As prayed for by MSS Chutia Learned Counsel appearing for the contemner, relist after 2 weeks to enable the contemners file affidavit in the matter.
52 and 53.
My lord, in this matter, we have received instruction, we will file affidavit.
52 and 53.
2 weeks time.
Mr. Khan, promotion.
Promotion.
All
First
right.
one is for promotion, my lord.
As
Second one, my lord.
very well, let them file.
Yes, my
As prayed for by Mr. T.C. Sutia, Learned Senior Government Council, right? Additional Senior Government Council, released on such and such date, 3 weeks or a date to be fixed by the registry to enable the so-and-so to file return in the matter.
A date may be fixed, but it has come up after 6 weeks, my lord. Nearly 6 months, my lord.
There are matters coming after 6 years. You are fortunate.
And one more prayer, my lord. To my instructions of the client given to me by client, I think there are 2 posts still available. So pendency should not be a bar for.
No, I'm not saying all that. Let them file the affidavit first.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Western number 8.
Give your appearance slip. Affidavit has been filed. MS so-and-so is, if so advised, may also file the affidavit in the matter.
54.
Yes.
I have filed the IA for implementing the party, madam. Director of Eligibility.
Whom you want to implead? Is the contempt new incumbent?
Yes, madam.
New incumbent.
It was not, it was not made party malak in the contempt petition inadvertently, madam.
Oh, it was inadvertently not.
Yes.
Okay. In the original order, who is the person you want to make a party? Srimati Suranjana Senapati.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the order?
Your lordship will find.
Where is the order of this court against which the contempt has been filed?
Yes, my lord.
Contempt petition to the official Rupa.
Page number 19, my lord, in my contempt petition. Last form. 19 and 20.
But the direction is only for the secretary.
Next, my lord. Page 20, my lord. Page 20, my lord.
Yes.
Page 20, my lord. Last paragraph, my lord.
Yes.
Respondent authorities in the elementary education department shall provincialize the service of from the date of the provincial appointing authority the director.
Heard Mr.
R. Islam.
R. Islam, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS.S. Chutial, learned counsel appearing for respondent numbers.
Impleted respondent, madam. Director.
It's not only, we have not impleted only for 3. You're appearing only for 3. Not for 1 and 2 because they are all education departments.
Education department.
So are you appearing for all the respondents, for the respondent contemners? By way of this impleading application, the applicant is seeking impleadment of Srimati Suranjana Senapati ACS, the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, Kahilipara, Guwahati, 781019 in the district of Kamrup Metro, Assam. As a arrayed respondent in the accompanying contempt petition filed against alleged willful and deliberate non-compliance of this court's order dated 10/4/2023 passed in WPC number 3452 of 2021. It is the case of the applicant that the proposed respondent that the respondent number 3 to be whose impleadment has been sought in the instead application has been inadvertently not arrayed as a contemner in the accompanying contempt proceedings. Stop. Apt to refer to the relevant portion of the order dated 10/4/2023 passed in WPC number 3452 of 2021, which reads as under quote unquote paragraph 2 at page 4. Reading of the aforesaid paragraph, it appears that the presence of the respondent number 3 is essential and necessary for the effective adjudication of the contempt proceeding in hand. Accordingly, the impleadment application stands allowed. It is provided that Srimati so-and-so is arrayed as party contemner number 3 in the connected so-and-so. let amended cause title be submitted within a period of 3 days from today. And in the contempt phase, heard same parties. You're going to file. Have you filed your wakalatnama
No, my lord.
for 1 and 2?
1 and 2 are already filed.
MS so and so submits that she can appear. She has instructions to appear for the newly implemented contempt number 3 as well, and accordingly seeks stop. So, in view of the affairs, no formal notice is required to be issued. Extra copies be submitted to so and so. Relist after 3 weeks to enable so and so to file affidavit in the matter.
Obliged.
55.
But this interlocutory application
Implement.
for implement of the new incumbent.
Heard Mr.
R. Islam.
R. Islam, learned counsel appearing for the applicant. By way of this implement application, comma, the applicant is seeking implement of the of
Part number 2.
of Srimati Pomi Barwa ACS, who is transferred.
Yes, but earlier one transfer.
Who has
assumed the charge.
who has been transferred and assumed the charge of the Director, Higher Education Department, Assam, Kahilipara, so and so. It appears that during the pendency of the aforesaid contempt petition, the sole respondent has been transferred from his post, and against the said post, the opposite party number 2 has assumed charge. In view of the aforesaid, it appears that the presence of the opposite party respondent number 2 in the instant contempt case is essential and effective, is necessary and essential for effective adjudication of the contempt proceeding.
Representation has also.
Accordingly, the contempt petition implementing application stands allowed. It is provided that so and so be implemented as a respondent number 2 in the instant contempt petition. Let amended cause title be submitted within 3 days. And in the contempt case, issue a notice to the newly implemented so and so. List after 3 weeks.
Much, sir.
56. My lord, the matter.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, the matter today has come for orders. I've checked the office note. Respondent number 5, my lord, neither ID card nor unserved notice.
Await service.
Await service, but my lord, the matter has already been decided by Catena of judgments of the coordinate bench.
Mr. Sharma.
Absolutely, my lord.
Await service in respect of respondent number 5.
5, my lord.
Relist after 3 weeks and a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord, if I can wait for a shorter date.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
I'm appearing for 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Appearance slip.
I'm
Yes.
deeply obliged.
Supplementary list item number 59.
My lord, petitioner before your lordship is a widow, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Diwari.
It has been complied with.
But Mr. Diwari, this court has a serious objection for in contempt matters compliance to be passed in this manner. Some responsibility, Mr. Diwari, must be taken on behalf of contemptness. These are contempt proceedings, not regular writ petitions. Yes or no? Anyway, have you given him a copy?
Yeah.
Now you're giving. Complied, not complied.
No, my lord, I'll take time, my lord, one day, because last
Okay,
night.
you have a look. You file an affidavit if required.
Affidavit, my lord. You can come in the.
But what is this? What has happened?
I am to.
The PPO has been issued here.
Anyway, Mr. Barbhaya,
My lord.
you have a look. I will recall this matter.
My lord,
have a
let
look.
it be fixed some other day.
Have a look. If it is complied, we will close it. Yes. Have a look.
For hearing, item number 57.
Some rejoinder was required to be filed here.
Already filed, my lord. No. I have not filed, my lord.
Huh? It's not there on record.
But I not required, my lord.
You had taken time on 26. The petitioner may be permitted to file his rejoinder affidavit to such affidavit that may be filed by the respondent. And You have filed. Anyway, what is this matter? Family pension.
Pension, my lord.
Why family pension has been,
Lordship, my senior is on his way. Lordship, we take up the matter after some.
it looks like this is the last matter on board. You are there?
Lordship,
Huh?
he's on his way. Just let him.
That's all right. Yes, what is this matter?
Squeeze my lord. The petitioner is armed debtor.
Huh?
Petitioner is armed debtor of a deceased person, where the family pension is extended.
Unmarried daughter.
So whether the family pension is extended to the daughter beyond 21 years or not, that is the issue. We have filed an affidavit here. Well, we have filed an affidavit, we have said some amendment has been done. But it is not specifically said in paragraph 12 of our affidavit what amendment has been done.
So then that is to be given.
5.
Why don't you get a instruction?
That is, but not, so beyond, I will have to obtain instruction beyond 21 eligible or not.
Whether eligible or
Yeah,
not.
that is the only question.
Because that is the issue, Mr. Padgiri.
My lord, I have annexed the notification, my lord. Page
Yes, I have
56,
seen
my
the
lord.
notification 2018.
Mr. TC Chutia obtained that instruction. We can have the matter next week. Yes, next week.
Next week, madam.
Heard Mr. Padgiri, na? Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.D. Nayak, learned standing counsel. So and Mr. Arkidalora TC Chutia, learned additional senior governor. Mr. Chutia learned so and so draws the attention of the court that the family pension has been rejected, has not been released, has that the issue involved in the instant writ petition is whether the petitioner, who is the unmarried daughter, undependent daughter of the army officer.
No, my lord, it is the master rule worker.
Of the concerned master role worker is entitled for family pension. As she is, how many age? What is the age you said? As she is?
27 years.
As she is 27 years. He further submits that though affidavit has been filed on behalf of the state, but however, no specific instruction as regard the entitlement of a unmarried daughter who is above 21 years is addressed in the aforesaid affidavit, and accordingly seeks a short accommodation. Prayer is allowed. Yes, next week.
2 weeks, madam.
Date the job. Released on such and such date.
I have also, my lord, a prayer for, my lord, seeking, my lord, arrear pension, my lord.
So, all right, we will see it together.
Led by the, my lord.
I said that is one of the issues.
28.
Yes.
Obliged.
Typing item number 59.
Yes, complied.
My lord, I have checked it, my lord, it does not indicate, my lord, compliance with the, as per the.
All right, then you file an affidavit, Mr. Deory. Heard Mr. So-and-so, the counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. B. Deory, na? B. Deory, learned counsel appearing for the contemner. Sole contemner.
No, I'm for respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2 and Mr. MS.
Sharma on behalf of B. Sharma, respondent number 4.
One second. You, Mr. Chalya, you please get hold of everybody's name and give an appearance slip. They will give you, huh? Mr. Deory submits that he has received instructions that the order of this court against which non-compliance of against which the contempt petition has been filed is already complied. Accordingly, let an affidavit in this accordingly be brought on record. Let an affidavit to this effect be brought on record. Released when, Mr. Deory?
Lordship, it has been sent to the treasury, your lordship. They will do the rest.
Mr. Deory, you see, it's a contempt proceeding. Kindly show some responsibility. When a notice goes to the contemner, you may have complied. The court doesn't know. put an affidavit.
Yes, definitely. Will do. Will do.
That's all
Yeah.
the court is asking. Please show some respect.
Yes.
Relist on such and such date.